Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today I received this package from the Flipkart which I ordered, which is ezril Basin bathroom sink kitchen plastic push down strainer. Strainer means to just block the garbage in the restrooms or the washrooms, you can say. And this I ordered because I'm facing a lot of issues by this blockage. Actually, see, when during the time of purchase it was like somewhere around 100, and now you need to check this in the mobile app. Okay, Flipkart mobile app, this is on the desktop. So for the exact price you need to check in the Flipkart mobile app. So I can just open this and I'll show you where exactly I need this.
See, this is the area where a lot of garbage is getting inside of this, because these vents are a little bit larger vents or bigger vents, you can say. So a lot of hair and other dust is just going inside and blocking the pipe, the what is this garbage pipe inside this.
So I'll be opening this, remove this package, and I'll try to apply there in the sink area. And not only this, I also ordered this one, GKG pipe blockage powder drain opener. Means in the kitchen sink area it is continuously getting blocked with the waste. So I just ordered this for 150 rupees. Once I receive this, I'll unbox and test this, and I'll be dropping that link in the description. If you want, you can check. And please do comment if you want the review of this pipe blockage drain powder. Okay, for now I'll just open this and I'll try to apply there. I just took this out from the package. 1 2 3 4 5, totally 5 are present here. Maybe I should remove this one, the outer layer here, and I need to stick it there. Let us just try to open this. There may be adhesive here, self adhesive. Yes, see here, this is how you need to remove and stick it over there. So I'll try to remove this and stick it over there. I just peel off this white one, the white sticker which is on this. Now it has some gum sort of thing, you can see. Now I'll try to just stick it over there.
Make sure the surface is not wet. So one thing you can learn from this video is you shouldn't apply this on the wet surface. Okay, I did a mistake, the floor is totally wet, but anyways I'll try to keep this. I try to just keep this like keep it like this, but you don't repeat this. Okay, make sure you stick it when this surface is totally dry.
Yes, if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them. And if you want a review video on that, means how well these are useful, how effectively they are blocking the garbage or something like that, if you want a review video on that or the status video, you can just ask in the comments, so that I'll try to do another video and post it. And for that powder also, draining powder also, please do comment so that I'll make a video on that. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.